Superbooth 21, Tom from SYNTH here at the booth at Enjoy in Electronics.
Yeah.
My friends from Italy are back. How are you?
Yeah, we are really fine. I'm Martin and Simon
Yes. Hello.
from Enjoy Electronics, and we would to say you welcome to the Godfather house.
You are again. You are going now. Remember your first product? Was that an amp show, or you showed Reminder?
Reminder, of course.
This
Yes.
multi-effects processor.
Yes, desktop multi-effect processor with a really creative soul.
And so far, the feedback from the customers, is it?
Yeah, it's so good. A lot of important studio recordings and a lot of very famous artists like the Chemical Brothers and Mike Dean, like Madonna, Travis Scott producers have the have our little bits in his studio. So we are really proud about this.
Do you make some improvements already for the Reminder, or do you added new stuff? So
Uh,
how it evolved now from the NAM to the.
Yeah, we're working a lot on a software improvement, and so we maybe in a couple of weeks we're introducing new firmware that improve the quadrophonic system and the internal quadrophonic software to get more special quadrophonic effects in our machine. So.
And now the Italian mafia or some is doing now modular.
Yeah.
The Godfather.
Modularity, yes, it's also standalone machine. You can rack it if you want. You can put outside from his aluminum case, aluminum and wood case, and you can rack it. And his name is visually Godfather, the Godfather, and he can really control and manage all your synthesizer and semi-modular synthesizer like a puppeteer, you know. So.
And we just hear the Godfather, the real Godfather. You.
Yeah, he's the boss.
Maybe.
You can see the red rose, you know,
We can
like a Marlon Brando. We can make an offer you can't refuse.
I have fear. If I say something wrong, I came in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Can we get maybe a deeper look at your first modular?
Of course. The machine was born for our need, basically, and then we can do to make something different. We really work a lot on something main mixing parameters like compression, side chain. So it's professional parameters like limiter, two gain staging, pan, independent pan for the channels with stereo width, for example. So mixing features mixed and combines with a powerful multi-effect engine, and so the creative soul is present, is already in this machine, like on the Reminder. So the same soul or the similar soul, but
It has a very Moogish vibe, I think, because
Yeah.
it has the same shape, so you can mount.
of course, the same format, different shape of case. We redesigned the case with aluminum and wood case, but it fit perfect for your semi-modular Moog family stuff.
So it comes with a case already.
Yes, of course. You can you receive a machine in his aluminum case, and then you can remove and put in your modular synthesizer, and you can obviously use our case to improve our modular system.
And how is the single chain? What you get per single chain? What kind of features?
Okay, you have 4 mono inputs, so we have 4 independent channels with independent effects for its channels, and so LFO, two built-in LFOs, multi-assignable. So I, for example, use LFO number 1 in the destination for the first channel, like a overdrive. For channel number 2, like a delay. So different parameters destination for different channels. That means if we have two LFOs, so is allowed to create a really intricate matrix of modulation. So you can assign, you can send or receive external signal to modulate all parameters on board.
So what you get the saturator? I see.
Yes, we have 4 saturators. 1 saturator for each channels. You can customize from the menu. You can also select the type of saturator and other parameters. So you can customize your preset. You can save and recall it.
Okay.
This for all the parameters.
The channels are all the same structured. So you have a saturator.
Of course, all the channel have the same structures. Just right now, the saturator in this beta firmware is at the end of the chain. But maybe in the final product you can change the routing. You know. So for example, the delay time. You can set delay time separately in his parameters separately and differently for each one channels. For example, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, offset for 1 and 3, or globally, you know, 2 and 4, 2 and 3, or globally for each one parameters. Yes, DPD is double pulse delay. Is our own delay. You can using DPD you can add into main bouncing of the main delay. You can copy the bouncing. You can put inside between the main bouncing, and you can set the position.
Is it the same delay, DPD, which is in your reminder?
Of course, it's the same, but with some little difference. Like a stereophonic atmosphere and stereophonic offset is a little bit different, but the soul and the concept is similar. Yeah.
And I see there's a reverb and a filter, right?
Yes, the reverb we have only one reverb engine. You can customize it, so you can create presets and custom presets and recall it. And we have 4 synths for each one channels on the reverb, you know, 4 synths. So we have also a high pass filter on board for the reverb sound, exactly like on the Reminder.
And it's all digital, or is it a combination of analog digital?
Yes, it's completely digital machine. Yes.
Okay.
And
everything is programmable. You can stop presets.
Yes, of course. You can save preset and recall the all parameters on board. So it's a really customizable machine. You can customize your singular effects and also customize the machine and the modulation and save preset and recall it. You know.
Okay. And I see there's also Midi support.
Yes, we have 2 MIDI jack. You can use with using adapter. So MIDI in and MIDI out. Also gate in and gate out, and CV input and CV outputs.
But the Godfather is not now a Eurorack version of the Reminder. It's a different product.
Absolutely different products. Maybe the similar souls, because we work a lot on the creativity stuff, you know. So maybe Booth can allow you to create something different sounds, but it is so different. Yes, and also in the definitive product, all the white bar will be a LEDs indicator. So you can see in first look how machine works. For example, our compressors work for each channels, or how is your position of DPD mesh, where positioned, and so or view meter, for example, for each channel. So you can have At the first look, all information you need about the machine works.
Okay. That sounds impressive.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. I thought it would be earlier more a finishing product for finishing your tracks,
Yeah.
but I see it's also a very it's an effect processor more.
Yeah.
It's a more creative because it has this reverb delays and you can.
Yes, and also looper if you want, because on the second channels I recorded a looper from Mother 32, putting inside automatically or manually my notes inside the loop. So it's so creative because you can create a lot of possibilities of modulation. So.
Well, the reminder is on the market already.
Yes, the model is on the market.
The Godfather is coming when?
Yes, we are working a lot on the software process, and we hope we are open pre-order in a couple of months, and so maybe it will be available for the beginning of the new year.
And price point will be?
The price point will be something around 900 euros or 1000, something like that. A lot of high quality component inside, so completely made in Italy. Also the board, we made in Italy also the board, and all the knob is in aluminum, custom made. So
it comes with the case already.
Of course, it comes exactly like here, and you can put outside from his rack, and you can rack it in your modular system.
Okay. Then I wish you a good start with your first modular unit.
Thank you very much.
And I wish you still a good Superbooth 21. There's still some 2 hours to go, or 3 hours. So then we are looking forward to see your product in many racks.
Of course, we hope to.
Big thanks for watching this video, and hope to see you again very soon.
Thank you from the Godfather house.
Bye.